we are finishing up week 3, almost done. Thursday, 9/13/18. This is CIS 125, Introduction to Programming Logic with Languages. So what we did today, we covered getting started. Make sure, I've been looking, some people haven't even started their computing circles where they're learning their Python. In Python both places. Then we changed the quiz to a take home and turn in tonight by midnight. I had to leave early, so alright, so we talked about top-down design. Top-down design. We got analysis, design, develop, and implement. So what we did is we took a look at this problem. Change the color over here. Farmer needs to paint some rectangular boxes in the fields for certain crop something. Anyway, so we went through the process. First thing is understand the problem. So we talked about the IPO, output, how many gallons of paint to paint the rectangle. It might help to draw a picture. And we know, we have a given, we know that he can paint with his painting machine 300 linear feet for every gallon of paint. So we don't care how wide it is, the machine, paints this line. Let's say the line is yellow. We're painting this line and we're making a rectangle. So how much paint does it take to do this particular rectangle given a particular length and width? So that's the problem. He's going to paint different rectangles and he just needs how much paint for each one. Okay, so we're not trying to make it too difficult. IPO, so explain the problem, make sure you got a legend. Design would be pseudocode flowchart. Check your work, see if it works. Have a peer review look at it before you start coding. Same situation here, you can read it a little better here. Farmer has a field in which he needs to paint a rectangular box. He knows he can paint 300 feet with a gallon of paint. How much paint will he need for a particular rectangle? Okay? So you build the problem to solve one at this point. That's all we're worried about. Okay, so we got length and we have the width. Alright, so I'm not going to say much else. That's it. Make sure we understand the problem. And we talked about drawing it all out over here. And then you design a solution using the flowchart and pseudocode and make sure it includes legend. Test it, and then you can code it. Alright, so over here I wrote legend, top-down design, and then we'll talk about bottom-up later on. That's it for today. The rest of the time the students did the quiz. Quiz number 1 due by midnight. Then next week, Tuesday, they should have this. Should submit this for Tuesday. I would submit it before Tuesday, but it's due Tuesday night. The design, you do not have to have the code done. Alright, that's it.